Hello everyone, welcome to DHS Informatics. Here we have a IEEE paper, Cost Efficient Outsourced Decryption of Attribute-Based Encryption Schemes for both users and cloud server in green cloud computing. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Technologies: Java and J2EE, that is Advanced Java Concepts, which include JDBC, Servlet and JSP. Tomcat. Apache Tomcat, also known as Tomcat Server, proves to be a popular choice for web developers building and manipulating dynamic websites and applications based on the Java software platforms. Eclipse. Eclipse is an open source IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. Eclipse is popular for Java application development and Android apps. MySQL. MySQL is a freely available open source relational database management system (RDBMS) that uses structured query language (SQL). SQL is the most popular language for adding, accessing and managing content in databases. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking and software. Rather than keeping files on hard drive or local storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and the software programs to run it. Cloud computing is a popular option for people and businesses for a number of reasons, including cost savings, increased productivity, speed and efficiency, performance and security. Aim. The purpose of this project is to find an effective outsourced decryption process for the ABE scheme to reduce the cost of computing the cloud service, in addition to reduce the cost of computing users. Introduction. Cloud computing offers user-oriented IT services. Two of the outstanding benefits are the large storage space and fast processing capacity for cloud computing. Nowadays, with the development of cloud computing, people have increasingly become usual to saving their images, addresses or some other less to cloud servers. For the convenience of people's daily life, many novel applications are proposed in cloud computing. On the one hand, cloud users or terminals can save their cost via outsourcing their data storage. A sequence of security problems is then considered, such as remote auditing, outsourcing computing, outsourcing verification and keyword searching. Although various cryptographic skills and methods have been put forward, attribute-based encryption, a fine-grained and scalable access structure scheme, is one of the latest notions to be explored in cloud computing. Cloud storage is a significant problem regarding protection and privacy data stored in the cloud, since untrusted cloud service providers may have access to sensitive data or even results in data leakage incidents. In order to protect data privacy, data owners can elect to encrypt their sensitive data before outsourcing data storage to remote cloud servers. Existing system. Existing implementations for protected transaction files are not built on attribute-based encryption. There are two major advantages of the proposed storage system. Next, it can be used to exchange data confidentiality with other users by defining an access policy rather than sharing a decryption key. Proposed system. This is a proposed system architecture. To solve these problems, use the proposed system to construct an ABE scheme called Verifiable Outsourced Decryption of ABE, which can verify the transformed ciphertext correctness by a proxy or the cloud server. Random message and plain text are encrypted, and meanwhile the data owner has made a commitment to their ABE scheme, while the data receiver may use its private key to create a retrieval key and a transforming key that is used to generate a translated ciphertext. For more details, to handle your project, visit www.dhsinformatics.com, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to call these numbers. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.